Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get more views on YouTube. And I'm here just showing you some stuff with the facts, and otherwise if you won't believe me, then do your own thing. But I'm here to help you out, and don't waste your time with how you can get more views. Some people are telling you that you can get more views by using the great tags, by making clickbait videos and something like that. That is not exact right, maybe in a way it's right, but I will show you in this video the best way how you can increase your views by just focusing on one single thing. Alright, if you can see just right here, if you click on the click-through rate, you can see that on August the 4th we have a click-through rate around 7.5%. And our impressions were around 2k, so 1988. If you go to August the 14th, we had around 3.8k impressions. That is exactly the double amount that we had on the 4th, yes? Not exactly, but it's around 4k. Then if you go to a click rate on August the 14th, it was almost doubled, yes? So this will show you guys that when your click-through rate is high enough, that your impressions also will go higher and increase. So stop wasting your time with fake methods and fake stuff how you can increase your views, and please focus on your thumbnails. Check videos how you can create the best thumbnails, and watch videos how you can improve that people can click on your thumbnail. Alright, this is the way that I want to show you, because this is the only natural way how you can increase your views, except share it on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and stuff like that, because that is also a way how you can increase your views. Alright, if you have other questions, please comment them below. And then this was the video for now. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.